you don't need to go to Europe to visit Auschwitz. We have Auschwitz right here in the land of Israel. We're here between Kibbutzim Be'eri and Nachal Oz in Kfar Aza, and this is the graveyard of all the cars that were destroyed right next to Nova. The cars behind me were cars in Nova. You could see here how destroyed, the bullet holes. They were with bodies inside, everything here. This particular car here, was from the Nova Festival. Right here, a Toyota Corolla that came from Kfar Aza. They came here. We could go a little bit further, and we have a tractor for one of the kibbutzim that was destroyed. And then something here, you could see the destruction. These cars, they had souls inside. They tell an entire story. Then here we have another destroyed pickup truck. This white pickup truck, and you can see it's got a harness on the back. This harness for a machine gun. It's from the Nukba. This is a classic of the white Peugeot pickups that they used to invade the south of Israel. Right here, this Dodge Ram. This is a tender Isuzu, a Dodge Ram tender Isuzu that they used, and it's a terrorist vehicle. You can see right there the bullet holes. You can see the bullet holes. There were people in the car, and they were killed in the car. Zaka took bodies out of these cars and cleaned them, cleaned body parts. And when it was clear of dead people and parts of dead people they brought to buried, they put their mezuzah. The mezuzah means the car is clean. The car is clean. There's one here, another example. And here, this Copra also, look at the destruction. Can't imagine the destruction. And with all the political correctness, you have to understand that this whole thing, that all the world and the lies of the world, this Alma the Shik of the world of lies, this goes to show you this is here within Israel. We have nowhere else to go. This is our home. This is a fight for our home, a war for our home. There can't be anything more just than that. Now look right behind us. This are all the bird cars. These are the bird cars that you've been a big chat. This is a more memorial to Shabbat, Simchat Torah, the 7th of October. It's a date we're never going to forget. It's a date that will go down in history that may be like Tisha B'Av. But we just hope one thing, that the prophet Jeremiah said that from out of the dust will come the Tekuma, will come the rebuilding. We hope that Hashem will have compassion on us, and from out of these ruins, but you know that a seed, you put a seed in the ground, and a seed, it decays before it germinates, and that decay is a part of germination, new growth, and we want our country to grow again, not like now, but with Malchut Beit David, with the kingdom of David, and Mashiach Tzidkenu, in our rebuilt holy temple, that Hashem has cuts compassion on the martyrs. All these martyrs are in the highest place in Gan Eden, and that they should appeal for us, appeal in our names, that we're still left down here. They're in a good place, but we're still left down here, that they should go to the heavenly throne and ask Hashem to have compassion on his people in his holy homeland of Israel, should purify it in every way and bring us Mashiach in our holy temple, speedily our days. Amen.